So we noticed a huge discrepancy in shape between the Y pipe and the main intake manifold chamber. So we deburred it, smoothed out the runners so that they match up quite a bit more, mostly on the bottom because that's where the intake runners are in the chamber. And hopefully this will increase the velocity to those chambers. We also decatted the header and wrapped it up with some header wrap for now. And went ahead and put a new clutch on. We weren't quite ready to put the dog box in yet, so we're going to put a W55 back on it again. We also ported the exhaust chambers and knife edged the runner surface in between them to hopefully be able to get the exhaust gases out quicker for the very large cams that we're running. We're going with BC 276s on these. I haven't seen a review on 276s yet, so when we get this car running, we will let you know how it goes. Biggest review I've seen on BC cams for a 2JZ are 272s. So we'll let you know how it goes. So for the head, we went with Brian Crower 2300 titanium valve retainers, spring retainers, and Brian Crower's BC 0300 valve springs. And here is my beautiful wife Jules uninstalling the old springs and putting the new valve train, BC valve train, into the head. So that's our shop compressor that you hear running in the background. We're using compressed air with a special hose fitting that goes into the spark plug hole to hold the valves up while we change out the springs and retainers.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Ta-da! So I've done it with my hand.
Perfect.